Hey, we're going on YouTube, you know what I'm saying?
See what?
Bro, I got on this big old jacket, bro. This jacket too big.
Bro,
look at this.
that's a rain jacket.
I know, that's why I hate jackets like this. But yeah, you just gonna be doing like, you know, Ig-Jkljamon jump, you know? And yeah. I'll come at y'all when we doing something. Oh my god. I don't know why I be wearing this small hat. I just feel like I look good in it, you know what I'm saying? Bro, Miguel, bro, who is coming over? Like, who is we over? Like, bro, ain't gonna cap. I feel like he finna set us up. Ain't gonna cap. It's so cold out here. I was gonna come out here without a jacket. Like, y'all do not understand. Movies on me? Hey, what those is?
Same thing you got on.
What is those though? Ain't gonna cap.
Nikes.
Okay. Hey, drip set. Let me see you. Bro, I know you ain't no StockX tag, bro. Bro, what's up with you, bro?
I mean, it's legit, bro.
Look at this.
Y'all need receipts, I'll pull it up.
Hold on.
Yeah, bit my balls, scrum it up.
Look, bring it on. I hate this jacket. It's too big for me, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Fit check. Ooh.
Drip check, get your bit wet.
Tell them bring it on. Let's get it.
So send me that if I would do it.
Alright, bet.
I just screenshot the video, a part to the video.
What is it?
Y'all just,
Just wait till I get a car. This man got his permit. He's so lucky. Alright, I'm gonna come up to y'all when more people come. Oh, we doing something. Hey, y'all trying to take some pictures in here?
we go back to the same spot.
But I can look. Okay. I can take a picture like this, so they can know that my heart big. You know what I'm saying? That was funny. That was funny. Yeah, I know that was funny, but stop playing with me. Hey, y'all like to cut? I think I should take this hat off, cause it's hot, bro. Like, look at that. I look retarded. You know what I'm saying? Bro, where's he going? Like, bro, this man walk like a stick figure. Come on, you, boy. You got two? Oh, you got two. You got him. You got
You two.
him.
Bro, stop trying to put them marshmallows in your pocket, bro. Quit trying to put them in your pocket. Stop trying to steal. What you want?
He looks scared. He looks scared. Bro, why they do it, bro? They L-mans, bro. They L-mans. This man gonna tell him the whole marshmallow dead dip. Look at him, bro. Look at him. That boy is weird. That YouTube check ain't even come in yet, my boy. He want me to get him a Starbucks. I'm just playing. I'm sorry. You know what I'm saying? Bro, I don't even know what we doing in here. On me. No, we don't, bro. We just in a large group trying to shop. You know what I'm saying?
Ooh, you got gas.
Damn, I know you just put that right.
Bro, just let him buy the marshmallow, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
We got broke friends. They argue on who gonna pay them stuff. You know what I'm saying? But that YouTube check came in for me, so guess who's not broke?
Nah, actually, no.
Say something. I dare you to.
So. Bro, my shoe cost more than yours, bro.
No, I just did the DDG thing, bro.
No, you did not, bro. How much you shoe cost?
You said I didn't?
You paid like 200.
You said I didn't?
This shoe 200.
They're like, go.
Go we all run for one thing, though.
Bro, we need this shit.
I don't care.
On
Now,
me,
we about to
bro.
eat bands on them, they gonna be
On me. They see me on YouTube popping, you know what I'm saying? Then what? You know? But I hate this jacket, bro.
They got $300.
Y'all trying to hit lit? Y'all trying to hit lit? These boys lame. Ain't no cap. Like, it's just me and y'all talking at this point. And I know, like, y'all enjoying my time. Look, he trying to be like me. He's not a real vlogger like me. You know what I'm saying? He could never be. Bruh, stop trying to eat all the time we tell you. Oh!
We finna go to
but I know you talking about my hat, boy. I know you talking about what? Yeah. Yeah, I know my hat. Look. Sticks for what?
Alright,
Roast them.
Nigga, that's what I was just trying to tell you, but you trying to Who, me?
I'm gonna do my hair.
Hey, we finna go to the affordable shop for these boys. We're going to
You don't know about that, man.
Dollar General. Dollar Tree, yeah. Yeah, I'm glad that you know. How you know about this store so well? Bro, I can't even feel me touching you. But yeah, we finna go in the dollar store. And I can buy everybody this now because this is my affordable budget. So yeah, everybody eat, you know, work.
Okay.
It's Valentine's Day. My girl don't deserve a Valentine's present, so I'm not getting her nothing for Valentine's.
It's okay. I'll take you out.
Yeah,
You know,
let her take.
I'll be a bigger man and take you out on dinner, bro.
Yeah, you do that.
I got you.
Yeah. What about your girl?
Bro.
Have you ever killed her from sitting on her or something? Bro, stop trying to. Bro. Oh! I think you just take my hat, bro. Why you just took my hat, bro? You wanna wear that hat, bro? Nigga, that's a 6. I don't even wear a 6. I was just, oh my god. Never mind. Like, see, look. You see how we stuck together when we was in Target. Now we in Dollar Tree. Everybody can buy them something. You know what I'm saying? Everybody can buy them something in Dollar Tree.
What they
Bro, what are you, bro? Bro, don't ever go shopping with this man right here, bro. This man did not. He just walk in the store just to walk in there. Like, you never know what you want, bro. Like, what is you in the art stuff for? That man finna buy some art stick. This man.
You was going.
You talking, man. I don't know what you talking.
But you finna buy them.
He was not talking about that. Look, see? When you're in Dollar Tree, everybody get them something, you know what I'm saying? You know?
I ain't even pick up now. You know, I don't like this cheap junk. Bro.
Yeah.
I shop at Sam's and Walmart.
Hey, y'all want some? I'll pay for y'all.
I need a long stick.
Look, he saw it in both stores. Where your other thing at?
He ain't buy it, bro.
Oh, you stole it. Oh.
He ain't have enough of it.
What? Yeah, man. I'm just vlogging. I'm not saying we. There ain't no energy in here, as y'all can see. Only him.
What?
But you gonna get tired from eating everything. You gonna get tired of being short. Oh! I'm almost talking to you. What you talking about? Bruh. Comment down in the comment section, but y'all know I'm almost taller than this man. Stop it, bro. Bro, ain't almost taller than him.
It's still, I'm taller than you still.
Bro, give it to about next year. I'm gonna be out there with you, bro.
Nigga, you look like almost not young, man.
You are.
Bro, get the fuck up.
Hey, I probably need to take a what's called it in the dollar store. Pictures in the dollar store.
Man, right here. This good material.
You finna buy that.
But he buying everything. He finna ball out. He finna go broke in here.
Shoot, slide me some.
What you say?
But you know, I don't eat from everybody.
What is that? Wait, what is that? What is that? Stick.
We got a stick in the stove.
Alright, I'll get it.
Block on me for real. My water gun.
Yeah, I'll get back to y'all when we doing something. I don't know why I keep saying that to y'all, but I mean, it's just true. His car about to cloud. We all about to witness this moment. We all been there before, bro. Like, I mean, I've been broke before, but not today. Since this YouTube check came in, I ain't broke no more. Never broke
You
again.
not buying nobody nothing? You not buying nobody nothing?
Y'all ain't ask.
Help me get out.
Huh?
Help me get out.
Let me see what you got on you, gang.
Bubble gum, dunk in the middle.
It's just like a light.
Let me see. You want me to buy you that? Yeah.
I got it.
Yeah, exactly. So, bruh, I could buy.
Ain't buy for you?
I got it.
Bro, I'm trying to do a good deed, bro.
W man.
I got it.
I think you just crack your neck.
No.
How can you even crack your neck? You ain't even got one. I was just playing.
Oh, you on that drop today.
I was just playing, bro. I was just playing. This man, bro. This man trying to wait. Spooky, scary stories. with the game. You know what I'm saying? Alright.
You made it to
Oh, wait, come on, bro.
place.
Bro, give me a stick, bro. I'm finna eat some s'mores too. Bro, you just had your hand on that. You gave it to me.
Man,
Bro, what's up with you? Hey, we got, Hood Meals.
The nigga bought some more when he bought some.
Hood Meals. Bro, hey, bro, give me a stick. Bro.
Nigga, pat me a stick.
Hey, look, we gonna tell spooky, scary stories.
Look at this whole. Alright.
Bro, we really, bro, you could have just told us. Why would you try to?
They already know.
Hey, you know what I'm saying? Hood way or no way, you know what I'm saying?
Hold on, y'all.
You got that lady, bro.
Hey, hold on.
Why she looking like a bitch?
Oh, me, that shit gonna be weird
Fuck
as
that shit.
hell.
I don't give a fuck. She like this shit fun.
He said he lit it for us.
Fuck.
Hey, me, boy.
But wait, who she calling?
She calling somebody.
I ain't trying
don't give a fuck.
Sit your ass down, scoot in. Nigga.
Bro, yeah, camera. Bro,
Blow it up.
oh.
No, you never know. Campfire.
Come on, wait. Spooky, scary stories. Babe, stop.
Nigga, you don't supposed to have the fire on there. That nigga,
Bro, don't put that.
she calling somebody for it, but
Hey, soon as we see her come, we do.
why she calling somebody for it, bro?
Should I go with dress now?
Yeah.
Man, go ask, bro.
Nigga, you asking me to market.
Hey,
this
hey,
ain't
come on, spooky, scary stories.
Oh,
That's that.
Bro, y'all so lame, bro. It once upon a time. Back in the day.
fuck, she coming.
She calling
Looking
somebody. She calling somebody for us, bro.
Oh, God, I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna stay here till we get kicked out.
I hate the burnt part.
Part? Nigga, that's the part of me washing it.
I know.
Hey, my boy, y'all don't get no more, my boy.
Damn, I wish I had a camera, man. Nah, she better not be a Karen. She just better tell us we can't do this.
Fuck this shit, bro. You gotta eat for the time, bro.
Hey, y'all give me a stick. Y'all give me a stick. I'm sorry, I can't record this, y'all. I wish I could, but they being lame. Man, she a Karen. She a Karen. She turned the fire off, bro. Who is just having all a little fun? Like, come on. On me. Bro, go ahead and put the stick down, bro. We done, bro. Go ahead and put it down, gang. What Zeke went? Wait a minute, we ain't gonna get the leftover, Oh my God. This man went to go get leftover things, bro, from the marshmallow.
He got mad.
What he say? He said Zeke got mad. They turned the fire off. Oh no, Zeke, he's talking to the manager to go turn it back on.
But he is so lame, bro. Like, he didn't even say this. He said turn the fire off. Like, what? He's like, right now, talk to him.
Please turn it back on. I'm hungry. Oh God. Oh, there you go. We was just having our fun. Hey, that's my title, bro. Y'all didn't want to make a thumbnail, bro. I found my title for the video. My hand's so cold holding this camera, so y'all better like this video and subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Bro, it be blowing me, because I know a lot of y'all talk about my videos and watch my videos, but y'all never subscribe, and that's really bad for business, you know what I'm saying? Y'all want me to keep posting. That's why I post like a month. That's why I post a month, you know? Like, I be really want to make YouTube videos for y'all, but I can't do it if I get more views than subscribers. I know YouTube are like that, but come on, bro, just subscribe for me, bro. Like, all you gotta do, like, you don't even gotta turn on post notifications, you know what I'm saying? You just trying to run up, 200 subscribers, you know? But yeah, just run my junk up, bro. Like, it's cold. My hands, I can't feel my hands right now. And look what I'm doing for y'all. Like, just subscribe for me, bro. Like, y'all know I make the best content in Alabama. Please subscribe, you know? Like, look. We all out here for y'all. This man, Skechers, he out here for y'all.
Skechers.
StockX tags, he out here for y'all. 13s.
He gonna give you
5s.
But
Yeah.
you'd rather do it with a lead.
Alright, come on, what we doing, bro? Cause
We'll go to Hollywood.
Alright, y'all. I don't know if I'm recording there, but yeah, if this is the end of the video, subscribe, leave a like, If it's not, I'll see y'all when we doing something. So y'all not gonna do it, bro? I'm not doing it. Cause I can pack my stuff and leave. I gotta get paid, boy. So he's scared to talk to this one girl that here. Like, nigga loud. That's not loud, bro. Bro, go talk to her, bro. Bro, what is it talking? She like, but this nigga capping. Everybody I hang around, they scared to talk to girls.
Gotcha. Come on.
He's scared, bro. Everybody I hang around, they scared to talk to girls. Like, bro, I'm about to delete my friend group, bro. Everybody I talk to, they be scared to talk to girls. Like, they must be gay or something. But why you ain't go hot down? I mean, not you, I mean him. Stop. Yeah, man. They scared to talk to girls.
Look, think about it.
Couldn't be me if I was single. But still, though, you know? What you was saying? Bro, come here, bro. Talk to me, bro. Bro, come talk to me, bro. What? What, bro? Bro. We gotta get you talking to a girl. It's gonna be today. Tonight. You know what I'm saying? Like, we need you, bro. Like, everybody in my friend group, they talk to girls. He don't talk to nobody, but we made him talk to a girl. You don't talk to nobody, and we finna make you talk to a girl. I'm telling you, bro. Where y'all going? You can't be like them, bro. You gotta man up and go talk to a girl. You know what I'm saying? Like, see, it's so easy for me to talk to a girl because I'm short and like I already got a disadvantage. So I gotta, I gotta step up my game because I'm not like the rest of them. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can't be like them. Like, they just going, word. You can't be scared. Can't be scared to talk to a girl in 2022, bro. You know? That's what I've been trying to explain to these boys. You come here, man. You ain't safe. If you ever get on my channel and fold and talk and don't talk to a girl like that again,
You made it awkward.
you're gonna have to.
You made it awkward.
I didn't make anything awkward. I barely was talking, bro. You know what I'm saying? What y'all talking about? And it better be something good, you know? Like, word. But yeah, man, I've been trying to teach these boys, like, all these boys my sons. I pull more girls than all these boys. I'm trying to teach them and get them on my level. And they don't listen. I might end this video.
Why you be?
But
Bro, why you be flipping your camera?
yeah, man. I don't know. I don't know if I should end it or not. I'm disappointed. Like, my friend group, they so scared, like, to talk to girls. Like, I don't be understanding. I just don't be understanding. You can talk to me all day, but you'll be scared to talk to a girl. I really don't be getting it. But I'm gonna get my boys right, though. Y'all boys stay tuned. I'll see y'all boys later. Wait, this not the ending. Yeah, this the ending now. But let me tell you, Zeke and him got to start watching. And what you said?
Bruh, that nigga Zeke got serious, bruh. So this nigga, we by the bushes. So I fucking tripped and landed in the bushes, bro.
I'm gonna play the clip. I'm gonna play the clip.
Get off me! Bro. Get off me!
Bro, take that shit, bro.
And then what happened?
Bruh, I swear to God, bruh. Them girls, we would've took that gun from that girl, I would've popped Zeke on. That's on my mama. Whatever the fuck they is.
It's so cold out here.
But you might well
You can see everything red. My nose red. My lips, they red.
What the fuck your mama?
Hands, I can't feel them. But you said you a pot, Zeke?
Bro,
You
I had
like
a
if
gun,
you had a gun, yeah, you would find him.
I
You would
would've lost
pot.
my mind, bro. I would've popped every nigga that would laugh.
Wait, whoa. Oh me, boy. Whoa. Alright, yeah, this the end. Yeah. Hope y'all boys enjoy it. I'm out.